Honestly, I'm kind of disappointed. The Christmas Masterclass is in January. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and it's nice to meet you. So I have an exciting video today, which is the new Plouise Christmas Edition Masterclass. And I haven't even opened the package yet. So, on the packaging, it does actually tell you naughty list. So I already seem to know what the packaging will look like. Because I've been a proper stalker and I know that it's going to be either black or pink, and the pink is the nice list, black is the naughty list. So because it says naughty list on the packaging, I already know that it's going to be black. Or maybe they're just trying to trick you. We will see. Okay. Throw that away. Right, so it has just came in this big brown box. And where is the opening for this big brown box? Yes, it is black. Like I said. Oh, okay. It's actually a black bag. I thought it was going to be a black box. It's a gift bag. I like that. It's cute. And then, oh, everything's falling inside it. Scary. This is the front of the box. And the back. So now I'm going to open it. A queen needs a solid base in order to build her empire. Sometimes our walls exist just to see who has the strength to knock them down. The key to success is to surround yourself with people who inspire you to be the very best you can be. See past first impressions and identify the true beauty that is often concealed. A good heart always wins. Plouise. Okay, and then we have this castle. So we do, and it has doors as if it's an advent calendar. It doesn't have any numbers or anything on it. Okay, so let's open up some of these doors and see what is inside. Nothing. Nothing is inside. I think everything has fell down. So, nothing was in door number 1. What about door number 2? Oh, we have something. It is a pink. A pink? Yeah, I think it's a pink one. So if you can see the back of it, you can actually see exactly where it ends. I wish that would show up on camera. Okay, you can't even see it. Yeah, so it actually shows you exactly where it ends inside this at the top, because the top is fairy light that you can see through it, through the ring light, and it isn't fully filled. There's a good wee little bit of space in there. Okay. Anyway, on to door number 3. Okay, so on to door number 3. And it is another base. And it is the bright orange one. The bright orange one. And you can see on this one it is filled all the way. Oh, and another one has popped in there. It is the It is the nice light pink one. So it's a nice light pink one, and yeah, that must be from door number 1, maybe? I don't know. What is in this one? Nothing again. Oh, this was not well done. Let's see what's in number 5. Nothing, and that one's just ripped. It's just ripped. Like, next door, nothing. The next door. Guess what? Nothing. The next door is a brush, a Plouise brush. I think this. Can you see that? Dust or something coming off that. Yeah. Anyway, let's find all the missing items in the bottom, hopefully. Yes. So there is, okay. So that first one must have been a red, because there's another pink, which must be the bright pink. So this must be the bright neon sort of pink. The Bada Black one, taking you to the dark side. Yes, black. And then a yellow. It looks like a yellowy orange kind of shade. A yellow. And that could possibly be it. I don't know. Oh no, we have a green as well. It's like a bluey green on camera, but it looks more green in person. And the last one, I think. Okay. It isn't the last one. So this is a blue. And then there's actually one hidden here, but there is no door. I think it's fell down from one above. And it is the purple. That's it. Yep. Okay. So, let me see. This is all the things that you were waiting for the masterclass. Okay, so on the Plouise website, I ordered on the 15th of October and just received it. So the pre-order for the Christmas collection, item to be dispatched between Monday the 26th of November and Friday the 7th of December. If you order anything else, it will be dispatched at the same time as the Christmas collection. Everyone who seemed to buy the stuff separately seemed to get their stuff first. And the people who bought the Christmas collection masterclass seemed to buy it and then get through to the side and got their stuff last. Okay, so I'm just going to go on and check the Christmas collections. One is £48, the next one is £38, and then the Bada Black base is £19. Equals £105. Okay, so my final thoughts on this Plouise package is it looks beautiful from the outside. Inside it isn't something that you can keep because it just turned off so easily. And also I am more upset by the fact that the day that we were told that the pre-orders for the masterclass were going to be pushed back into January, then they were putting up that they were selling other things, as in like a new package, a new bundle, and it's like, get your orders done out first that people have already paid for, get them out first, and then do the extra bundles and that kind of stuff. It was put on for £130. The postage does cost £15, so because I done the last masterclass, I got this package for £100. I got this package for £100 instead of £130, and then it was £15 postage, so it was £115 for £105 worth of product. Yeah. This isn't actually the first time that there was an issue with the masterclass. The last masterclass there was an issue also. It was supposed to be done months beforehand, and then they pushed it back. And yeah. So it is not just this one masterclass which they had issues with. It was the last masterclass they had issues with, pushed it back, pushed the products being sent out back, and also the masterclass that happened last time was supposed to be on at 10 o'clock and it didn't start until about 12. You know, it was later than 10 anyway. Yeah, and most of they took 1 hour showing all the products that we already seen because we already opened it. Okay, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, then please go subscribe to my channel. Not very happy with it.
Why?
Because whenever I was opening it, it all fell down. So I was literally opening the 3 and there's nothing in them.
Because of these eggs, right?
Yeah, like it just, I feel like everybody who bought these separately got them before everybody in the masterclass. So I could have literally bought the colours that I wanted instead. Because I mean, these 2 colours bloody look the same and they're not even filled fully. Like, can you see that? Which is just annoying. It's only the 2 colours that aren't completely filled properly. Like, you can see that's filled.
Aye, but no, see, what if you go like that? Oh,
But they're all like that. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
There's just, I don't know.
I think it's sorry.
I forget what was on there.
This will be ready in about.
And this as well.
Is that one of the brushes?
One of the brushes. Just as soon as I went to touch it, it looked like all dust and all came out of it.
Been
It
used?
looks dirty.
Does?
Huh?
I think it's been used.
Literally looks like.
It does. You can see the green.
Yeah, you know whenever you go round like your computer screen or something? Do you mind? I won't be putting that on my eyes like.
No.
Anyway. Bye! See you in the next video!